Hey guys, how to fix the error? As you can see on my screen, if you so let's example if I wanted to delete any folder to delete on your laptop or PC, just if you want to delete any folder and if you are getting this kind of the message, the action cannot be completed because the folder, yeah, a file in it is open in another program. You can see guys, if I wanted to delete, I can't delete because if I hit on try again, but it's not deleting. So to resolve this issue, just go to search and just type run. And here, guys, yeah, just type resmon.exe, resmon.exe. Just hit enter, okay. And now, guys, from here, so just try to find your folder name is new folder. And here, guys, just go to CPU. You can just select the CPU tab, and from the associated handler, just search here your folder name. So my folder in a new folder. Just type new folder. Yeah. So guys, now you can see. Yeah. So just in process, process. Now guys, if you want to try again, yeah, there you go. Now you have successfully deleted that folder. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like subscribe my channel. Thank you.